In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on your Shopify store. Whether you're expanding your business internationally, relocating, or just adjusting your store's location settings, this is a straightforward task that will ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's dive into the steps so you can make this change with confidence and ease. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head over to the settings. You'll find this at the bottom left of your Shopify admin page. It's the gear icon, so just click on that to access all your store's settings. Once you're in the settings section, look for the option labeled Locations. This is where you can manage all your store's physical locations, warehouses, or any other places where you fulfill orders from. Click on it, and this will bring you to a page where all your current shop locations are displayed. This is especially important if you manage a business with multiple outlets or if you've recently moved to a new area, as Shopify allows you to set up and manage multiple locations easily. On this page, you'll see a list of the different locations currently associated with your store. Go ahead and click on the specific shop location you want to edit. Once you do this, you'll be able to view and modify the details related to that particular location. Now that you're in the correct location, find a country setting. This is where you can modify the country to reflect your new desired location. Simply select the new country from the drop-down menu. Shopify makes this part easy as it auto-populates country options based on your location settings. Be sure to double-check your changes here to avoid any errors. Incorrect country settings could disrupt important aspects of your business, such as taxes, shipping options, and more. After you've updated the country for the location, your next step is to navigate over to the General tab. This section is critical for ensuring that all aspects of your store are consistent with your new location. In the General tab, you'll find the option to adjust the billing address of your shop. This is an essential update because your billing address affects taxes, shipping options, and even your store's currency settings. For example, if you're moving from the US to Canada, your tax rates will need to be updated based on Canadian laws, and shipping fees might change due to different couriers and rates in the new country. Now that you've made these adjustments, take a moment to review everything carefully. It's always a good idea to confirm that all the information is correct. Incorrect details in these sections can directly impact your customer's experience, your ability to manage taxes correctly, and how your business logistics function. Additionally, remember that changing your country may affect other settings like your store's language preferences and currency settings. So, check to make sure everything is aligned with your new geographical situation. Shopify allows you to set a default currency and even adjust shipping regions based on your location. It's also worth noting that changing your store's country might impact your Shopify payment settings. For instance, if you're changing countries, you may need to update your payment gateway settings to accommodate different local payment methods or banking requirements. Shopify will guide you through these steps to ensure you're compliant with the regulations of your new country. If you're expanding internationally, Shopify also provides support for multiple currencies, so customers from different countries can shop with the correct local currency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully change the country on your Shopify store. This simple yet important adjustment will help you better serve your clientele, ensure your operations are aligned with your geographical context, and improve your customer experience. Changing your store's location settings is a crucial step if you're planning to expand internationally or if your business is relocating. Shopify makes it easy to make these adjustments, but always double-check your settings to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for tuning in. As always, if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out for additional support. You can also drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll make sure to respond. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and Shopify insights. Happy selling and best of luck with your business expansion.